Welcome to Ruby's Kitchen. I'm Ruby D, author of Ruby's Juke Joint Americana cookbook, and today we are going to make a very traditional, very old style salsa roja, or as some people call it, cooked salsa. Now, salsa roja is a very old-fashioned, very traditional Spanish salsa where you char the tomatoes and peppers and onions and then just process them. It's so easy, but it's so good. So what we've done is we've already charred a couple of tomatoes. I'll add those in. And half of a serrano pepper, actually a whole serrano pepper, because I like it a little spicy. And half of an onion, a white onion, and a clove of garlic. You can see how lovely they are. They're a little bit sweated and translucent, a little bit charred. That's what gives this dish all its flavor. Then I'm going to add about half of a bunch of cilantro, so it's about 3/4 of a cup of cilantro. Add that in, and a pinch of salt. And then I'm going to process it, and it's going to taste so good. And away we go. Now you might recognize this once you see it in the bowl. It looks like a standard fresh tomato salsa, but because we've charred the tomatoes and the peppers and the onions ahead of time, it gives the salsa a really lovely blackened and charred barbecue flavor almost. It's so good with fish, with steak, pretty much with anything. And I think I'll have some right now with some chips. So here is my salsa roja. Thank you so much for joining me in Ruby's Kitchen, and I hope to see you next time.